There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down, or below my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.
The Corpach shipwreck, also known as the Old Boat of Cale, is a former fishing vessel named MV Dayspring, which ran aground on the shores of Loch Linnie near Fort William on December the 8th, 2011, after a storm caused her mooring chain to fail. While the primary wreck is the fishing boat Dayspring, a separate abandoned yacht named Argo is also located on the shingle beach near the shipwreck, though its specific history and fate remain largely unknown. The Dayspring, built in 1975, was originally used for catching herring and mackerel in the North Sea and was later renamed the Golden Harvest. It had been moored at Kinlochleven Pier and later moved to Camusnagle Bay near Corpach, where it was purchased by a carpenter and boat builder who intended to convert it into a houseboat. The wreck has since become a popular landmark and a photogenic sight, often photographed against the backdrop of Ben Nevis. Despite its status as a tourist attraction, it is illegal to go on board the vessel due to safety concerns and vandalism. The Dayspring remains classified as afloat because it sits below the high tide line, but is not subject to the usual wreck regulations as it is considered to be on the shore.
One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.